Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for iPhone mobile trading. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform, providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform, dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is Admirals. Admirals is a renowned financial brokerage firm that has established itself as a prominent player in the global financial markets. With a commitment to providing comprehensive trading solutions, Admirals has become a trusted destination for traders seeking a reliable platform to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Admirals offers a diverse array of trading instruments, providing a comprehensive platform for investors to explore and capitalize on various financial markets, which include Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, exchange-traded funds, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Admirals prides itself on delivering a user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools that empower users to execute their strategies effectively across this extensive range of trading instruments. The broker offers a cutting-edge suite of trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders across the globe. And these are the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. Their platforms are accessible across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring traders can stay connected to the markets anytime and anywhere. Admirals offers a range of carefully crafted trading account types to accommodate the diverse needs and preferences of traders. Tailored to suit various trading styles and experience levels, these accounts provide a comprehensive and flexible trading environment. These include the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 account types, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. Regardless of the chosen account type, traders benefit from the advanced technology, educational resources, and comprehensive support that Admirals provides. Admirals is committed to empowering traders with knowledge and skills, offering a comprehensive array of educational resources to support their journey in the financial markets. These resources cover essential topics such as market basics, trading terminology, and risk management. They also provide interactive webinars and tutorials, which further enhance the learning experience, ensuring that beginners can navigate the complexities of online trading with confidence. The educational resources at Admirals are not only informative but also practical, equipping traders with the tools they need to make informed decisions. Overall, Admirals stands as a trusted and innovative force in the world of online trading, committed to providing a dynamic and user-friendly platform for traders of all levels. With a diverse range of trading instruments, cutting-edge platforms, and a wealth of educational resources, the broker empowers traders to navigate the financial markets with confidence and expertise. Whether one is a beginner seeking a solid foundation or an experienced trader looking for advanced tools, Admirals caters to a wide spectrum of needs. The platform's commitment to transparency, security, and continuous improvement reflect its dedication to delivering a superior trading experience. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. At number 2 on our list is eToro. eToro, a prominent online trading platform, has established itself as a leading player in the financial technology industry. With a user-friendly interface and innovative features, eToro has become a go-to platform for individuals seeking to engage in various financial markets, offering a unique blend of social trading and investment opportunities. eToro allows users to connect with a global community of traders, share insights, and replicate the strategies of successful investors. eToro offers a diverse array of trading instruments across various financial markets, providing users with a comprehensive platform to explore and invest. Traders on eToro can access a wide range of assets, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. eToro empowers traders to explore and invest in different asset classes, fostering a comprehensive and accessible trading experience. eToro's trading platform stands out as a cutting-edge and user-friendly interface that caters to both novice and experienced traders. With a commitment to simplicity, the platform provides an intuitive environment for users to engage in various financial markets seamlessly. eToro's platform offers a unique social trading feature, enabling users to connect with a global community of investors and even replicate the trading strategies of successful peers. Whether trading stocks, commodities, or other assets, eToro's platform combines accessibility with advanced features to enhance the overall trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types that are designed to cater to diverse investor preferences and trading styles. Whether one is a seasoned trader or a beginner, eToro provides options to suit individual needs. These accounts include the personal account, the professional account, their corporate account, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. eToro also offers an innovative feature called the copy trader, allowing users to automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. As a well-established online trading platform, the broker understands the importance of empowering traders with knowledge, and to that end, it offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources through the eToro Trading Academy. Tailored for traders of all levels, the eToro Academy serves as a valuable learning hub, providing a wealth of educational materials, tutorials, and articles. Through the eToro Academy, traders can enhance their knowledge, refine their strategies, and stay informed about market developments. Overall, eToro stands as a leading force in the world of online trading, offering a user-friendly platform, diverse trading instruments, and a wealth of educational resources. The broker has successfully created a space where traders of all levels can thrive, whether one is interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or social trading. eToro offers a comprehensive and dynamic trading environment. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for iPhone mobile trading, we have IQ Option. IQ Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, IQ Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, IQ Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. IQ Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. IQ Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. IQ Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. IQ Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, IQ Option's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for iPhone mobile trading on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.